Hello, Miss Combs class. This is gonna be the most epic science video ever. But for that, I'm gonna need a chemist. So, come follow me. All right, so I actually ended up finding a chemist, and he's a good friend of mine. So go ahead, come on in. All right, he's a chemist.
Yes.
All right, so I'm here again with my friend, a chemist.
Yes.
All right, so I'm here to ask, what's today's topic?
Chemical and physical change.
And what is the difference between these two things?
The difference between chemical and physical change is that chemical change can't go back to its original form.
And what's physical change?
Physical change is a change in its form, but not in its substance.
So, what's the importance of these two things? Why should we know them?
Because science.
Great answer.
Follow me and I'll show you. I think we should go.
Yeah, we probably should.
All right. Shout out to Miss Coleman for telling me to put my safety goggles on. The chemical change because the metal does not go back to its original form. This is a physical change because the material of the paper is going to stay the same, but the shape is going to be different.
Wow. All right, so this is going to be a chemical change. Now, the reason this is a chemical change is because the gas comes in a liquid through the pump, and it comes out of this exhaust pipe as a gas. So let's take a look. It's science. So this right here is going to be another physical change. Oof. All right, so you see this is a physical change because he ran over the cone, but the cone's substance did not change, only the shape. See? Stayed the same. All right, this is going to be a chemical change because we're going to burn the paper, and the paper will never go back to its original state. As you see, the paper is burning, and it'll never be regular paper again. Hold on. Wait a minute. Pause. Y'all can't tell me y'all didn't see this dude's wrinkly, old, green, grandma skin shirt. Anyways, if this bum would have just ironed his shirt for once, it would be a physical change because he'd be able to get all those wrinkles out of there. And it would look nice for once. Instead of looking like he stole some of Yoda's skin and just put it all on his shirt. Or like he looked like some crumpled up piece of paper, bro. Like this man really said, look at me, I'm gonna go outside dressed up as a dried pickle. Come on, man. Alright, anyways, let's get back to the video. Vince's fresh fade is a physical change because his hair only got cut, but in the end of the day, it's still hair. The substance did not change. Alright, do a spin, bruh. Show the world your physical change.
And the eyebrows. And the stash. I got my fellow guest here,
Miss Della Rosa.
and she's gonna tell me what a chemical change is. Here.
Using a torch is considered chemical change because the oxygen is in a separate tank and the acetylene is in a separate tank, so the gas molecules are separated, but once they combine together, you create fire, which once the fire is created, you then cannot separate the gas molecules.
Let's go. We got it. Pre-workout is a chemical change because the high dosage of caffeine stimulates the brain, therefore causing an outburst of energy. This is a pumpkin made out of clay. This is a physical change because the substance is still the same, but the shape changed.
All right, this is another chemical change. The fries go inside of our mouths and into our stomachs, and the stomachs, they get mixed up with the acids and they get broken down. Now, pardon us for not having any lab coats or any goggles on.
We're on break.
Yeah, we're on break. It's like midnight, bro. Like, give us a break, Miss Combs.
We've been working all day, miss. I think we deserve 100.
Yeah, like, I don't think you should drop a grade for this.
I think we have the best thingy whatever out of everybody.
Yeah, I do too. All right.
Ready? This is a chemical change because plants use carbon dioxide to make glucose and oxygen. Come look at these flowers. Come on. Look at this one. I'm gonna give this to my teacher.
All right, this is gonna be a chemical change because this shake mixture and this water bottle, I'm gonna mix these both up and we're gonna make a new shake that cannot be changed. This is our experiment for today. All right.
Talk about the smell.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a chemical change. You see the smoke coming up is also a chemical change. Hey, we're gonna shake this up. You shake this up. See me? It's really good, guys. Promise you.
Open it and spill it.
Honestly, the drink could be more drinker, but that's the chemical change. So thank you. All right, this is gonna be a chemical change because we're gonna clean up the mess we made earlier. As you can see, zoom in on that, bro. Zoom in on that. Look, look, we made even more mess. Look at that. All right, here's what we're gonna do it. We're gonna get this, and what this is gonna do is gonna kill 99.9% of the bacteria that's in here. Look, you see that extra one? That's dead. You see this one right here? Also dead. We're gonna get these napkins right here and just start cleaning it up, right? See, look, this is how you clean up. The bacteria is being killed right now as we speak. If I get some more here. All right, and that's our chemical change for right now. So thank you for watching, and next one. Oh, look, we have this t-shirt right here. All right, let's get here real quick. This is gonna be a 2-in-1 video, all right? So she's gonna air up her tire right here, right? This is also Miss De La Rosa. Introduce her. Miss De La Rosa got a flat tire. She don't know what level of PSI she has to air it up, but she's gonna air it up until it pops. So this is our last part of the video. Get the tire in right there. Look, she can't even put a nozzle in, but she's still airing it up. Look, she's crying inside because she can't get it. All right, and thank you for joining this part of the video. On to the next.